Hi, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Today we discuss about US health insurance system, complete guide to the American healthcare system, the type of health insurance and coverage wide area. Today we discuss next step. How does the US health system work? Healthcare in the United States is organized in complex bureaucracy, while in the rest of world healthcare facilities are owned. Many private clinic, clinic, state and government they can also individual payment. At the same time, unlike most developed nation, the US system does not work proper, but hospital and clinic work together for health insurance. So, in addition, the government has ಅದು ಏನ್ cover healthcare expenses for the part of the society in the elder, disabled and the poor. This program differ from one and others. You know, getting a health getting USA and not easy thing. May think once you know money, everything is easy, but in fact, things are bit more complicated. One must be careful and look out, pick a right insurance. The many hospital, many need document for your health insurance. The United States government does not provide health insurance for all its people. Some people, disabled people, or more many diseases. This is health insurance. There are two types of health insurance in US country. Private and public. Most people use to combination of both. The US public health insurance, Medicare and Medicaid, and children health insurance program. The US most expensive healthcare in the world. That's why getting Medicare. Medicare is a national health insurance program that dates back in 1966. It provides health insurance in USA, also for younger people and stage diseases, many diseases in the people. Data showed that Medicare provides almost 60 million people insurance with health care in the USA. The Medicare program is divided into four parts. Part 1, which cover hospital and skilled nursing and hospice service. Part B, cover outpatient service including some providers service well inpatient at hospitals. Part C, and the alternative called managed Medicare, which permits at least the same service coverage at Part A and B. Often the benefit of Part D and annual out of pocket. Part D, cover mostly self-administered prescription drugs.
थैंक यू करो भाई 5 मिनट हो गए
Thank you so much for watching my video. Next lecture I hope tomorrow.
थैंक यू
Thank you.